Right, good morning, welcome back. Day 2 of the big move, and this today is going to involve taking the 7 cabinets, moving them into the new garage, screw them to the wall, make some legs for them, and screw the work surfaces onto the correct working height. Now once that's done, we can stash them full of stuff out the way. That's just an off-camera job. Then we can start moving the big bits in the next video. But look, first of all, I'm going to take the camera in there, give you a quick look around the inside, see what you reckon, and then we've just got to get on with it today because we've got so much to do. So let's get stuck in. Right, there we are. Day 2, Monkeyboy Carpentry signed off. Nothing more to do, they are in. Now I might brace those little legs underneath if I ever need to in the future, but seriously, jumping up and down on them now, they ain't going anywhere. Really cool, and screwed to the building as the old one was. Absolutely bang on. Now that's all the carpentry, like I said, signed off and out the way. The electrician's going to come back and lift those plug sockets up about 50-60 mils, so they're just out of the way a bit more. They're a little bit low at the moment, but that's just the generic way that they wired this place up. When they're lifted up, then it'll be a better height, so that's no problem either. Now I can move on. We're going to pack them full of the bits and pieces, which is boring, but in the next video for day 3, join us for that. We're going to start humping the big stuff in. The bike lifts, the cabinets, the other benches, all of the machines. Once all that's in here, we are done and ready to start going. We're going to try and get this whole thing signed off, literally, in about 2 weeks. So this is day 2. Join us for day 3. Anything else, Pen?
Have a wonderful weekend.
What she said. Take us a ride safe. See you next time.